Hi, welcome to Hearing Like Me. I am Ruchi Goyal, mother of Prisha Goyal, who is a Phonak hero. I am here to share my experience of hearing loss journey, the trials and errors, and all the experiences of my daughter and her hearing aids. In this video, I want to share an important part of hearing loss, which is choosing the right hearing aid. How do you go about choosing the correct hearing aid so that you can get the best hearing possible? Well, to begin with, first you have to notice if the person is not hearing. That is, they are lip reading or they are very visual. For example, my daughter, we realized that she was deaf at about 7 months old when she did not wake up after we kept ringing the bell. And that was a sign that we need to see someone who can help us out and understand whether she can hear or she cannot. First of all, we need to see an ENT specialist who will do the hearing test. He will look for ear infections and also look at the earwax. The next step is an audiologist who will be prescribed by the ENT specialist. The audiologist will do a hearing test and he will assess your hearing. Subsequently, he will look at your audiogram and then prescribe a hearing aid. Depending on your hearing loss, you will get hearing aids. If both ears have hearing loss, you will get 2 hearing aids. For Prisha, we found out that she was severe to profoundly deaf and the hearing aids that were needed were behind the ears. Our audiologist did a Bera test, which was to put the baby to sleep and then do a test. Back in 2004, there were many challenges as far as hearing aids were concerned. We had to depend on an audiologist. Today, all the information is available online. There are many different kinds of hearing aids. The most common ones are in the canal or behind the ear. Prisha has severe to profound hearing loss, and so a behind the ear was perfect for her. In the canal hearing aid fits into the ear canal and cannot be normally visible from outside. Behind the ear hearing aid fits behind the ear and has a small tube attached to a mold which fits into your ear canal. My daughter has to wear these hearing aids all the time. The hearing aid prescribed to you would be dependent on your hearing loss, mild, severe, severe to profound or profound hearing loss. We are always looking for trials of the hearing aids because they are expensive. So it's a good idea for you to make sure that you can speak with the audiologist who can let you know if this is possible. Trial of hearing aids help you to change in case these do not fit you. Since the child is so small, I was always very keen to have hearing aids for trial, and it's a good idea because if these do not fit you or they do not suit you, you can change them. So it's a good idea. Hearing aids and accessories are quite expensive and it's a good idea to plan for them. So look at your finances and decide and make sure that you speak to your audiologist who will help you fit all this in your budget. I remember constantly worrying about it when my child was small because I was always thinking if there are upgrades, how will I fit into that hearing aid? So we were constantly planning on hearing aids and the accessories and the upgrades. It's always good to be aware of what you are going to buy. So do a little bit of research when you decide that you need to go for a hearing aid. Look for accessories and upgrades of hearing aids. Since buying your hearing aids is a big process and you are going to be wearing these hearing aids for at least 4 to 5 years, so it's a good idea to check for accessories and programs and look for additional features like noise reduction, rechargeable batteries, directional microphones and remote control. Many of these latest models come with features which are many of Many of the latest models come with connectivity features so that you can connect to phones, televisions, as well as computers. Through many of these latest models of hearing aids come with connectivity features so that you can connect to phones, televisions, and computers. I have to say through Bluetooth. Many of these latest hearing aids come with connectivity features so that you can connect to phones, TV, and computers through Bluetooth. And it's a good idea considering that we are using so much technology these days. Thanks to this Bluetooth technology, Prisha is able to manage all her classroom homework and classwork through hearing. She is not dependent on someone to take the notes for her, which is a very big relief to us as a family, because we are not dependent on additional people in the classroom who will take care of her needs. Everything she needs is streamed through her hearing aid so that she is not dependent on anyone in the classroom or outside. This facility makes it easy for her to enjoy music or edit music because she loves dancing. Since Prisha enjoys dancing, this facility is very helpful to her. She is able to edit music thanks to this technology. Another thing that we consider while purchasing a new hearing aid is to see if they are capable of increased power in the future, just in case your hearing gets worse. Another thing to consider while buying a new hearing aid is to see your future needs and development. Considering that these are expensive and you are going to be there with these hearing aids for some time, look at hearing aids that are capable of increased power in the future in case your hearing gets worse. We always keep a track of our hearing aids and how each hearing aid served us, which facility was helpful, and how it can be bettered in the future. We try the new hearing aids in every possible scenario: in the marketplace, near traffic signals, in the classrooms, or even while playing music. This helps us to know how Prisha would be hearing in a real life situation. So there are times my husband is reading a text, she's listening to music, and I'm trying to get an attention from her, because this is what the real life story is all about. Another thing to consider is the after sales repair and services, because sometimes you might require them. Try the new hearing aid in every scenario, realistic scenario, in the marketplace, in the classroom, with music, without music, everywhere, because this is how the real life situation is. We often as a family walk around near the traffic signals so that we can hear the background sounds as well as play music. She is talking while I am talking to her, my husband is reading a text or playing music. This creates a natural environment which helps her to program her hearing aids better. Keep a note of all that you are hearing, because it's important when you go back to the audiologist who will make the appropriate changes to the hearing aids. This will help you to get better hearing and get natural sounds. Don't be afraid to try out various brands and different types of hearing aids, because this will help you to get the best hearing so that you can lead a normal life. After wearing 2 different hearing aids for the first 5 to 6 years, Prisha moved to new hearing aids, Phonak Nida 3 UP in 2010, and that completely changed the way she was hearing. Because I remember when we were coming back from the audiologist's place, she suddenly asked me in the car, "What sound is that?" It was the sound of raindrops on the car. And I had tears in my eyes because she was actually noticing this new sound for the very first time. Now, these hearing aids helped her to gain a lot of speech in the last so many years. Having seen a huge change and growth in her hearing and understanding of language in the last 10 years, recently we upgraded to Phonak Paradise Nida this year, and it has changed a lot of the way she's hearing, because now she has Bluetooth as well as Roger mic, which helps her to be independent and helps her to listen even better in the classroom. She is now no more dependent on the classroom and she's now not dependent on anyone in the classroom because she can take care of all the notes and everything that she hears very well by herself through Bluetooth. Better? In the last 10 years, she has grown immensely. Her language and understanding is immense. And this year, we upgraded to Phonak Paradise UP, and she is even hearing better because now she has Roger mic as well as Bluetooth, which helps her to stream all the classroom lectures and information right to her ear, which helps her to not depend on anyone, and she is able to take her notes and study just like every other child. Bluetooth is an excellent technology because it streams all the lectures right into the ear, all the music into the ear, which helps you to understand and be very independent. These days, hearing aids come with non-rechargeable and rechargeable batteries. You can choose the ones that suit you. We decided to stick with batteries that needs to be changed because it helps us in various situations. You can choose what suits you. In the end, I can only give you one advice. Try, test, relax. Because moving from one hearing aid to the other can be very taxing on the brain. It is exhausting. So do not be hard on yourself. Take off the hearing aids for some time. Take breaks because it's important when you're moving from one hearing aid to the other. Your brain takes time. Give yourself 2 months before you get used to your new hearing aid. Changing to new hearing aids gives access to the latest technology. So always enjoy new hearing aids and discover new sounds. Thanks for watching the channel Hearing Like Me. I hope you have enjoyed learning about hearing aids and how to buy one. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. This will encourage us to make new content for the deaf and the community around us. Do share. Till next time, see you again.